Hey guys, so today I am gonna review the Seagate Backup Slim Plus hard disk. So I got this from Reliance Digital and it costed me around 3,999. It says it's been assembled in Thailand and product of Thailand. One of the biggest plus point of this hard disk is that we can connect this to the mobile devices, that is Android OS. So let's try. So we are gonna so I also got a free case with this hard disk. That was really great of Reliance. So this is the case. It is a very good quality case. Right now I'm keeping it aside. So let's go to the unbox. I have already cut open this film. So let's remove this back. So here you go. This is the hard disk. We will come to it later. Some backup plus instruction manuals, some device software, blah blah blah, a long list. This is the it has 2 months free Adobe Cloud photography. Keeping it aside, let's dig into this hard disk. So on the first impression, this is a very slim looking and cute hard disk. It has an aluminum finish. It is a new logo of the Seagate. Some branding works. The thickness is around 12mm on the side. A very compact hard disk. It has one light blue color with some gloss, and its normal hard disk connector you get in this cable. So I am now going to connect this to my mobile device. So let's go. I will be using my brother's Moto E4 Plus. Yes,
you can use it.
So guys, he has his own channel, General Sarkar. You can go and comment. The links will be in the I button above here or also in the description. So I'm just gonna show you. I will connect it, and as I connected it, a light started. And I will storage. So guys, as you can see, this is not recognized in Moto E4 Plus. No issue. Let's try this in OnePlus 3. Let's go. Guys, as you can see, there is a bit change in the video quality right now because I'm using the Moto E4 Plus camera for the recording because I don't have my tripod of the DSLR. So please pardon me for that. So as you can see, this is my OnePlus 3. It's currently running on the 8.1 beta version. As you can see, 8.1 stock OS. It's not yet rooted, normal device. So what I will do, I will just remove this micro USB OTG, keep it aside, connect this Type-C OTG to my device, and connect this hard disk to it. So as you can see, there is no reaction to the hard disk, but now I am going to go to the OTG options, and you can see ES File Explorer, open ES File Explorer when USB is connected. and also the Android system default file browser. Let's explore it using the default file browser. I will adjust the focus. Yeah, so now you can see we can read all the files. I've already copied a 451 MB file, so let's open it and see. You can see that it's reading very well. Images, suppose I am trying to copy a file of, we'll go to OnePlus and I will copy a big file, for instance where it's 103 Nikon, I guess.
There it is. It's called.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I will copy this particular file to my hard disk, and this copy to Seagate 1TB. Moreover, you can see 1TB is entirely free, so I will just copy here, and you can see the speed: 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, and I will leave it for the copy, and I will zoom over here. One minute. By the way, you guys might be wondering what's the size of the file. So for that I will just open ES File Explorer, go to that 103 Nikon, which is here, and go for the properties, and it says, I will zoom it out, bring the phone close, and adjust focus. It's 1.12 GB. So for 1.12 GB, as you can see, it's still copying, and it says it will take more 1 or 2 minutes to go. 50, 45, 43, 39. Once again guys, I'm really sorry for the quality. I'm gonna just skip this part. You know, it will take 10 more seconds or 15 seconds and so, but it will copy. I just wanted to show you that we can copy the files from our phone to a 1 TB hard disk if and only if you purchase a Seagate Backup Plus Slim Plus Portable Storage hard disk. I have already did an unboxing of Silicon Power Armor A80, and unfortunately I wasn't able to copy my files from my mobile device to the hard disk, only because it used to have a power requirement of 1 ampere, and for which most of our devices, mobile devices, give an output of maximum 0.5 ampere. So if you are thinking to copy the files from your phone to a hard disk or a hard disk to phone, make sure the power requirement of hard disk meets the phone's capacity. For me it was 0.5 ampere, and so I chose this. Most of the devices cannot go above that, so please check before you buy. And this is my review. I know this is an old product, but still old is gold. Thank you.